I see it. I definitely see it as a personal achievement as a para athlete, but a bigger achievement for my country because this is going to be a moment. 100 days to go and 100 days to tell the world that our new India is now inclusive India, when we are absolutely capable of hosting the world's one of the largest world's competitions in the Paralympic sport. Maximum number of athletes participate. The maximum number of medal events at the Paralympics are from the athletics. And to have more than 1,000 para athletes from across the world coming to India, and I think it's going to be a beautiful time of friendships. And more than that, I think this is going to leave a huge impact on the ecosystem of Indian sports. Everybody will gear up with better technology, better learning. We will have a huge volunteer base. We will have more sports people in the ecosystem. And the Paralympic Committee here on will have more popularity, more awareness, so that more and more persons with disability will come and join the world of sports.
Earlier we had trophy here.
Yes.
This. So you think that last time Nazaria sir said before Paris that we were going to cross the 25 number mark. This time you can say that with 3 years to go, that maybe 35-40 is the target?
I first want to focus on 100 days to go. And we are absolutely in love with Viraj, the mascot launch that happened. Delhi is supporting in a great way. World Para Athletics Championship is going to see new heroes in the pipeline for LA 2028. So yes, personally very, very proud that the number of participation of female para athletes has increased. It has increased many folds in past 8 years of the inclusive policies as bestowed upon under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The infrastructure for sports is becoming inclusive, the policies have become inclusive, and it is a great opportunity when this World Para Athletics is happening for Indian para athletes to have an exposure of such a humongous international level competition. So I think this is going to be a watershed moment in the history of Indian para sports.
How big a push it is for that?
This is going to really pave the way for LA 2028. We will see new talent come up. We will see more women come up. We will have a great exposure. More and more young athletes will be more fearless, more confident. When on their home ground they have seen such a magnitude of sport, there'll be less intimidation when they go abroad. So I think it is a great exposure event also for the younger para athletes in the pipeline.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.